That's something. Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a big one.
Ooh.
Okay, we gotta stay here. Sure. Well, I don't know. Maybe it's not that big. But it does feel bigger than last time.
Oh yeah, man. Ooh. Oh, dude.
Lingcod. It's a baby lingcod.
Oh, damn it.
Baby lingcod.
Shit, dude.
Come on, man. They're here.
They're fucking here.
He didn't bite. Just yeah, as I'm jigging, he just was on the other end.
Robinhood is an investing app that lets you buy and sell stocks and ETFs, all commission-free. Getting started is easy, and you can invest in the companies you love for as little as $1. Waiting on the right moment? Uninvested cash in your account earns a competitive interest rate. Get your first stock on us. Download the app and take control of your financial future.
Yeah, sweet. Come on. Does it need a net?
No.
No? Sweet. Good job, man.
Oh, man.
Oh, it's a bird. Nice. It's a red one. Perfect. Nice. That's a good size one.
Oh, bro. I'm so
Yeah.
happy I'm not a skunk no more.
Yeah, look at that. That's a nice one.
On the,
On the extra shrimp fly.
Alright, man.
Yeah, good job.
Alright. No more skunk. Thank you.
Woo!
Woo!
Coast is clear on that one.
It's on a little shrimp, man. Let me do a little...
I'll watch that wave for me.
Okay.
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! Bro, let's go!
I know.
Let's go! Should you mark this spot down?
I mean, I kind of know where we're at.
Yeah!
Yeah! Sweet! I made the trip right there.
Bro.
Maybe about the same size as mine. So it's a decent one. Bigger than the first two. Watch it be a huge lingcod. Yeah. Yes, these are hella tasty.
That shit looks fucking fire.
These are really tasty.
Dude, nice, man.
I have another one of these if you want it.
Oh.
If you want to try it. I mean, just, the thing is, I mean, yours obviously,
Yeah.
it works. Nice.
Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah. But yeah, if I catch. Okay, go ahead. Then if you think. Just throw that in the water. We'll pull it back in. Like, we'll pull it back in after, you know? You could just throw the line in the water. Trust me, because I need to untangle it anyways. You'll get tangled up.
Oh man, it feels light.
Okay. It's all good.
Yeah, it's too light.
It feels. Good, good. We're halfway there. What, you see it?
No, it just feels.
Compared to what you've had before? Let me know when you see some color.
It's gonna be the chicken. Yeah, I'm pulling this shit away. It's way too easy.
That's weird. Okay, you're on the last 50, this last stretch here. Like 20 feet.
Oh.
Yeah, sweet. Pull it up. Nice. Dude, whoa. That's a good amount, man. All right, right on.
Whoa. At least 2 keepers.
Yeah, sweet.
Dang. Let's go.
Nice.
What?
Okay. But all right, let's let the little ones go.
Like this one is questionable right here, right?
I could tell. Yeah, but that one's totally a keeper. Oh, you want to open it up at this point?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah. And you could dump the crab out. Find the one that's the best one, you know? Like this one looks like it's pretty good. Okay.
Toss, right?
Yeah. Toss the females. This is a female. So we got 3 females. And then,
This guy.
let's see. No, I know, right?
Fuck, let's do it. Let's just dump it back in.
Okay, just. Got it? Yeah? Okay. Are we in the right direction or no?
Yeah, I think it's going to be, I think we're right on top of it.
Okay. Go ahead and start doing it. I'll suit. That first part is yeah, good. I want to make sure I'm maneuvering correctly. How's this one feel?
This one feels a little bit heavier.
Yeah,
I don't know if I'm biased now.
You don't know. You just.
This one does feel a little bit heavier, but.
I mean, we're tilting a lot more. Nice. I mean, we know it's gonna be at least what we had there.
Hope so.
Yeah. Getting tired. I mean, it's a
Rocks.
What the?
Wow.
What? Weird. Okay.